For those who run and hide their heads when their world's not bright, will never be there to see the dark clouds open out to light. And this next poem is my response poem to my 15-year-old self, who wrote that poem, which was called The Right Attitude to Rain. And this is The Right Attitude to Rain Revisited. Oh, for the foreign country of the past, its sprite green rolling hills, its lash-bordered woodlands, its butterscotch sun, its future glimmering as if painted into being by the swirl and dance of Bob Ross's Ocean Breeze Easy, anyone can do it palette. Oh, Bob, where did that sovereign state of sureness go? This morning, I rooted through these old notebook scrawlings. I hoped they might function as my passport there, but to look back is only ever to root through the glossy pics in the travel brochure. Its photographer never logs the rainy days. But what if I could blag my way past time's border guards? Sack off the green card required on entry. Just say, screw this. Make a wild break for it. Peg it in. Jump the barriers and shrug off my pursuers just long enough to hunt down and corner my wide-eyed protege and say to him all I know now. Grab him by the shirt scruff and tell him. Funny how many times I thought I had it all worked out. I can see him in front of me. Peacock pout. Arms akimbo. Bulletproof as youth. 3 bodies distant from me and as likely to listen to my advice as to that of my father's. Why waste my piss on his bonfire of vanities? Let him get drunk on his sour grapes. The future moves fragile, random, like rain across a window pane. The past is a foreign country, and I fear what his customs checks might find on my person. Thank you.